This video is sponsored by ProFirst. Visit our websites for more information.
OE certification is being called the new mainstream for a reason. With many more automaker certification programs available today than ever before, more collision repair facilities are becoming certified to stand out against the competition in their markets. One such facility is Clinton BodyShop in Clinton, Mississippi. This shop has 19 certifications and consistently markets that message via TV, radio ads, and Facebook advertising. Getting certified and marketing that certification is one of the best investments you can make in your business, says Clinton BodyShop owner John Mosley. The message you want to get across to the consumer is that you are partnered with an OEM and are trying to take an active part in the repair process by utilizing everything the OE has to offer. And the OEs will market you too by addressing certification with consumers when they buy a vehicle and directing them to a website where they can find a local certified shop. If nothing else, just the fact you can say our shop meets the requirements to be a certified repair facility, that alone instills confidence in the customer's mind that you know how to repair their car properly. That's the marketing advantage, Mosley says. Another advantage, says Mosley, is gaining access to repair manuals where you can refer to the automaker's recommended repair procedures. Believe it or not, Mosley says, most customers understand the difference between a certified and non-certified shop. When a customer has a wreck, Mosley says, they come in and say, when I bought my vehicle, the automaker told me to never use anybody but a certified facility, and I looked online and saw that you were certified, so I'm not going anywhere else. Mosley emphasizes that shops should not just rely on the automaker for marketing, however. He says they should take the materials they offer and decide how to best use them and put a marketing plan in place. And don't just advertise in slow times. Create an even, consistent marketing program you can run all year long, says Mosley. Whether you're backlogged or slow, always keep that marketing out there to keep your name and message on customers' minds, even when they don't need you. I'm Jason Stahl. Thanks for watching.